Okay, so this is the next question. We have a right triangle. Okay, so let me name it as A, B, and C. This is theta. So you have a side here as B, side here as A, and here as C. Now the first question is express C in terms of A and B. So this is a solution. Okay, so I'm going to state it like this clearly. ABC is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras rule, we have, so what do we have? AB squared plus BC squared is equal to AC squared. So this is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So that's the solution for the first part. Next part, they are asking us to express C in terms of A and B. Okay, so since C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared, so C is going to be root of A squared positive B squared. That's the solution. Next, write in terms of, this is the next question. A, B, and C, an expression of the form, or an expression, this is actually stated as an expression for, okay, for sine theta positive cos theta. So we need a expression for sine theta. So let's do this. Now this is the right triangle given, okay. Now this is the angle. Now if I were to draw this like this point is C, and this point is A, and this point is B. This is theta. Now AB is given as A, BC is given as B, and this point, this side is given as C. This is the hypotenuse side. This is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. Now sine theta formula is opposite side. Let me write that. Sine theta is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side? A, hypotenuse side is C. So let me write that down. Sine theta is equal to A over C. Now what is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is B, hypotenuse side is C. So cos theta is equal to B over C. So you have sine theta, you have cos theta. So what they are asking us is, what is sine theta positive cos theta? So sine theta is A over C, cos theta is B over C. Together it's A positive B over C. So this is sine theta positive cos theta. Okay, that's a solution for this question. Now this is the next question. They are asking us to show that sine theta squared positive cos theta squared is equal to 1. Okay, so what is this? This is nothing but sine squared theta positive cos squared theta. We have to show it to be equal to 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider left hand side, which is sine squared theta positive cos squared theta. Now what is sine theta equal to? A over C. What is cos theta equal to? B over C. You square it, you get a squared over c squared positive b squared over c squared. What is this equal to? This is a squared positive b squared over c squared. But from Pythagoras theorem, what do we know? We know that c squared is equal to a squared positive b squared. If I were to take this as 2, therefore 2 can be rewritten as, in place of a squared positive b squared, I'm going to say c squared. So you have c squared for the numerator, c squared for the denominator. They get cancelled, equal to 1, which is nothing but right hand side. So hence we have proved. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Now